Hey everyone, it's Leonette. Welcome back to DIY Beauty on Purpose. Today I am continuing my Christmas decorations and I'll be decorating my front porch. Now if you have seen my video from last year, it'll be linked down below. It's not going to be much different. I'm going to reuse a lot of the decorations that I already had, but I'm just going to update them a little bit and just add a little bit of a touch to match this year's theme. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just frosting the garland that's going to go over the front door. These are two garlands that are about 6 feet long. I joined them together and they're gonna go, it has to be long enough to go over the door. So I will be frosting it and basically fluffing as I go. I am using exterior Valspar white paint for this. These little trees I got so long ago, I can't even tell you when I got them, but it's been years and years ago. And so this year I'm going to reuse them again. And the bases are actually very heavy duty. And I like them the way it is, but because I have already used them like this for so many years, I want to update them a little bit, and I'm going to dry brush some paint and to give it more of a stone look to them. Alright, so the bases are nice and dry. It does not take long because dry brushing doesn't take long to dry. And I'm just placing the trees. I'll fluff them to make sure they're nice and fluffed and ready to start decorating outside. Alright guys, so these bows I've also had for a very long time, and I wanted to tone down the red because I just thought it was just a little bit too red. So I'm using the same paint and I'm just dry brushing the paint on them. And I'm going to be very honest, I did not like the end result. Now I ended up using the bows because from further away they looked okay. It was just not what I preferred, the look I preferred. However, that is why you DIY, right? So you're not going to love everything, but in this case, if I would have done it all over again, I would have either kept them red or just used a different bow. But I did use them. Alright, so now on to decorating outside. This garland, as I mentioned, is pretty long because it's two joined together, and I am placing them using plastic hooks that you can get at the hardware store or at Walmart. They're for Christmas lights or garlands. So I have one on each corner that I used last year and I kept them there. I'll put it up, fluff up the garland, and then put up the bow. So I'm a little torn here because I love these ferns and I used them in my summer decorations. I used them in my fall decor, and they're like just really holding up to the cold weather really well. So I might just keep them for winter.
Or at least until they die? I don't know. Do ferns last in the winter? Anyways, write me a comment if there's a special like maintenance for them, but I think I'm gonna leave them for now just to kind of fill the porch a little more, and then if they die, then they die, but that's what I'll do.
Alright guys, so here's a little behind the scene looks on how I just kind of decorate. I just kind of put things back and forth, put them here, put them there, just get a feel for kind of what I want, and then once I see something that I fairly like, then I leave it, but just wanted to show you that. I decided to add these boxes, this crates, to the bottom of each little tree. I just thought it gave them a little bit of height, and it also gave them that wooden tone that looks so pretty. And then I added a bow from some of the ribbon that I had left over from my Christmas tree. It just kind of complements the bows on the top of the wreath. I kept the welcome mat. It's not in the best shape, but for winter I think it's plenty good. And then this wreath is one of the ones that I did on my trash to treasure, so I am placing it here with some more of that ribbon, and that'll be it. I'll be all done. And there you have it, guys. So I actually really like it, and those ferns, I think it adds that fullness, and I don't know if they look wintry or not, but I like it. So the bows, yeah, I still am not in love with them, but I think I'll leave them. They just look like they got extra frost on them. The wreath, I'm so happy with it. It looks pretty simple, and again, it has that look. So thank you guys for watching. I hope it inspires you to get some decorations done on the outside, maybe reusing some of the decorations from last year, and if you need to give it a new look, just use some paint, ribbon, whatever it takes. Use your creativity. But thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so right underneath this video, and give me a thumbs up if you really liked it. I'll see you soon. Bye.